Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming safety and getting the right tools. You need a soldering iron, flux 0, 5 mm solder, wire strippers, and heat shrink tubing. Once powered off and battery removed, inspect the cable visually and with magnification to find the exact break. Connector strain points often fail. Next, gently flex the cable to reveal hidden fractures and mark the damaged section. Once done, strip about 3–4 mm of insulation cleanly. Make sure not to nick the conductors, because that weakens the repair. Now you expose and prepare the conductors so joints are reliable. First, strip 3–4 mm of insulation and twist fine strands to keep them tidy, then apply a tiny amount of flux. Once pre-tinned, heat the conductor, feed 0, 5 mm solder until it wets. You ensure good wetting on both wire and pad. Make sure to match color-coded wires and verify continuity with a multimeter before permanent joining. After that, align the wires carefully, because correct polarity prevents failure or damage. You finish by making short, clean solder joints. Heat briefly and add just enough solder to form a shiny bond. Excess heat will damage insulation. Once cooled, slide heat shrink tubing over each joint and apply heat to create a snug seal. Add a larger tube over the bundle for strain relief. After reassembly, power up and test Bluetooth pairing and audio playback. If pairing fails, check continuity and each joint. A cold solder joint usually looks dull. Reflow it, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.